how to play Hayday on PC or notebook. So if you want to play Hayday on your PC or notebook, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for BlueStacks. Once you've searched, you need to go with the first link, which is www.bluestacks.com, and you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go and download BlueStacks. So once you've started the download, it will start the download. Depending on your network connection, it might take a few minutes. Once you've downloaded, you just need to simply open up your BlueStacks application. Once you've opened, you need to go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Hayday. Once you search for Hayday, now you just need to simply go with Open Google Play app, which will be on the bottom. Click on that. And after that, it will take you to the Google Play. So just wait for a few seconds. And here you will have your Hayday application. So you can simply go with Install, which will be on the right side. And once you click on Install, it will start the install process. And once it's installed, you can play your Hayday on your PC or your notebook in this way. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.